Good morning, everyone. My name is George Atungang Owajege from Lincoln University College, Malaysia. Today, I'll be presenting to you technology adoption in inventory control, literature review on its impact on SME performance in developing countries. Over the next few minutes, we are going to see how how technology adoption can influence performance outcomes in SMEs, especially in the context of emerging economies. Also, we are going to see the implications for policymakers, government institutions, and other relevant stakeholders, and how they can also do their role they can play in helping to improve performance outcomes in SMEs through the use of technology adoption. As per the World Bank report, small and medium-sized enterprises comprise 90% of all businesses and generate 60% of employment in emerging economies. They are crucial to the economic growth and innovation and employment in these economies. Despite this SMEs face numerous challenges like financial constraints leading to usage of manual and outdated inventory methods, which lead to stock inaccuracy, inefficiencies, customer dissatisfaction, obstruction to productivity, decreased profitability, and reduced scalability potential. Inventory control is a core operational area where technological interventions could yield transformative results. The role of inventory control in SME performance. Inventory control involves managing raw materials, work in progress, finished goods, and materials repairs and operation stock to meet market demand efficiently. Inventory control is important to SMEs because it helps in stock control, enhances customer satisfaction, prevents stockouts and overstocking, enables accurate demand forecasting, and streamlines procurement. Accurate inventory control also improves decision-making, order fulfillment, thereby positively improves productivity. SME using robust inventory practices report higher profitability and operational efficiency. There are certain digital technologies available for inventory management, both for large firms and SMEs. Some of them include, and the most employable SMEs include, enterprise resource planning, cloud-based inventory software, barcoding and RFID systems, mobile inventory apps. These technologies help in real-time inventory tracking, enhance accuracy in stock records, improve demand forecasting, and seamless integration across departments. Empirical support. Adoption of inventory technologies improve decision-making and reduce costs. Systematic literature review methodology, PRISMA. In this study, a systematic literature review was employed using PRISMA guidelines to ensure transparency, rigor, and replicability. Data sources: Scopus, Web of Science, Google Scholar, zero-age databases were explored using keywords as inventory control, technology adoption, SMEs, and developing economies. Boolean operators were used to refine results. Inclusion criteria involved empirical studies, SME focus, peer-reviewed, and English language. From 173 papers, 125 were selected after screening. As earlier mentioned, all the various types of inventory technologies available for SMEs also have their various uses. For example, the ARP system help integrate processes, that's to say procurement, sales, inventory, and finance, improves coordination and inventory visibility. Barcode RFID systems enables real-time tracking, reduces human error and stock discrepancies. Cloud-based software, accessible from anywhere, useful for data centralization and multi-location tracking. Mobile inventory apps, affordable and user-friendly, help SMEs digitalize their inventory with low setup cost. Adoption patterns vary based on sector, infrastructure, and cost. Impact of technology on SME performance. Positive impact reported in the following countries: 30% improvement in order fulfillment, South Africa; 25% to 40% cost reduction in inventory management, Ghana; 40% fewer stockouts, Tanzania agribusiness. The following performance metrics were affected: stock accuracy, customer satisfaction, lead time reduction, operational efficiency, profitability. Conditional factors. Success depends on process alignment, employee skills, and quality assurance. This last statement implies that even if the best technologies are being bought by SMEs, if there are not sufficient skills to man such equipment, that the equipment do not align with other processes, and there are no quality assurances, they will not perform maximally. As we say, they will not impact the performance in the most meaningful way as expected. Barriers to technology adoption: high initial cost. ERP and cloud systems are often unaffordable for SMEs. Skills deficit. Lack of trained personnel to manage digital tools. Inadequate infrastructure. Poor internet access and unreliable electricity, especially in rural areas. Resistance to change. Cultural inertia and fear of complexity delay adoption. SMEs view technology as fit only for large enterprises. Without infrastructure and readiness, even the best tools remain underutilized. Key enablers of adoption in developing economies: government initiatives, subsidies for tech purchases, tax breaks and grant programs, external partnerships, collaboration with NGOs, tech providers, and academic institutions, digital culture, openness to innovation, internal digital champions, and experimental culture, organizational agility. Agile SMEs quickly adapt and try new tools. Agility linked to better performance and innovation. Continuous learning, upskilling employees and establishing tech literacy as a core capability. Case highlights: Tanzania, South Africa, and Ghana. Tanzania, cloud-based inventory tools reduce stockouts by 40% in agribusiness SMEs, enhance traceability and order coordination. South Africa, Munyeka 2019, ERP adoption led to 30% improvement in order fulfillment and 25% reduction in inventory cost. Success linked to firm agility and tech training. Ghana, Boateng et al. 2022. SMEs using mobile inventory apps reported improved decision-making. Key barriers: ICT infrastructure gaps in rural areas. These real-world insights highlight how contextual adaptation and support influence performance outcomes or adoption outcomes. Policy implications for government and institutions. Strategic support measures. Provide financial subsidies for inventory technologies, tax incentives for digital transformation initiatives, infrastructure development, expand ICT access in underserved areas, training and capacity building, nationwide programs to upskill SME workers, encourage partnerships with academic and private sector stakeholders, promote agile business environments, foster a regulatory framework that supports innovation, reward SMEs that demonstrate early tech adoption and adaptation procedures. Goal: to empower SMEs to sustainably integrate inventory technologies and improve performance under resource constraints. Future research directions. Longitudinal studies. Assess long-term impact on inventory technology on SME performance. Industry-specific constraints. Explore how organizational agility, leadership, and culture influence outcomes. Regional focus. Deepen comparative research across Asia, Africa, and Latin America. Role of mediators. Examine how organizational agility, leadership, and culture influence outcomes. Digital readiness. Develop frameworks to assess SMEs' readiness and adaptability to technology. Conclusion: inventory technology significantly enhances accuracy, efficiency, and customer responsiveness. Success hinges on strategic alignment, digital readiness, and agile capabilities. Key recommendations: policymakers subsidize inventory technology tools, launch national training initiatives. SMEs invest in staff development, cultivate a learning-oriented and agile culture. Researchers expand longitudinal and contextual specific studies. Digital inventory control is not a luxury but a necessity for SME growth in the 21st century. Here we have some few references you can go through when you have some spare time. Let me end the presentation for today. Thank you for listening, and I'm open to questions. Thank you.